Ever wondered why many diets fail? Or why some diets seem to work for others but not for you? The world of dieting is riddled with misconceptions that can lead us down the wrong path. One common misconception is that all calories are created equal. But the truth is, the quality of the calories you consume matters far more than the quantity. Another myth that often circulates is that fat is bad. In reality, healthy fats are essential for our bodies to function properly. They provide energy, support cell growth, and help protect our organs. So it's not about avoiding fat entirely, but rather choosing the right types of fat. There's also this false notion that dieting is synonymous with starving. On the contrary, a healthy diet should leave you feeling satisfied, not deprived. Everyone's body is unique and responds differently to various diets. What works for one person may not work for another. Understanding these misconceptions is the first step towards a healthier diet. The first step to effective dieting is understanding your body and its needs. Every individual is unique, and so are their dietary needs. These needs are influenced by factors such as age, gender, and physical activity level. For instance, a teenager who is an active athlete will have different nutritional requirements than an adult who leads a sedentary lifestyle. Underlying health conditions such as diabetes or heart disease can also significantly affect what you should and shouldn't eat. It's crucial to bear in mind that there is no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to dieting. What works for one person may not work for another. This is why it's imperative to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian. They can help you identify your specific dietary needs and guide you towards a diet plan that is tailored to you. Remember, the best diet is the one that meets your unique dietary needs. Once you've identified your dietary needs, the next step is planning a balanced diet. So, what exactly is a balanced diet? Picture a plate divided into sections, each filled with different food groups. These sections represent carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each of these plays a unique role in maintaining your health. Now, let's delve a little deeper. Carbohydrates, often found in foods like rice, bread, and pasta, are the body's primary source of energy. They fuel your muscles and brain, allowing them to function effectively throughout the day. Then we have proteins. Known as the building blocks of life, proteins are critical for repairing body tissues and making enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. Foods rich in proteins include meat, dairy products, and legumes. Next, we have fats. While often villainized, fats are essential for absorbing vitamins, promoting cell growth, and providing energy when carbohydrates are not available. Healthy fats are found in foods like avocados, fish, and nuts. Now, onto vitamins and minerals. These micronutrients support numerous bodily functions, from supporting your immune system to maintaining healthy bones and teeth. They're abundant in fruits, vegetables, dairy, and lean meats. Remember, balance is key. It's not about eliminating food groups, but rather about ensuring you're consuming them in the right proportions. Too much of anything, even something healthy, can lead to imbalance and potential health issues. A balanced diet is key to ensuring your body gets all the nutrients it needs. Now that you have a plan, the next step is to put it into action. The path to a healthier you is paved with good intentions, but it's the implementation of these intentions that truly matters. So, let's dive into the strategies that can help you to live out your well-designed diet plan. Firstly, consider meal prepping. By preparing your meals in advance, you can take the guesswork out of your diet. This way, you're setting yourself up for success, reducing the likelihood of resorting to unhealthy options when you're hungry and pressed for time. Next, let's talk about portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. So learn to understand serving sizes and use them as your guide. Last, but certainly not least, is mindful eating. This involves paying attention to what you're eating and savoring each bite, instead of mindlessly gobbling down your meals. It's about appreciating your food and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. The key to successful diet implementation lies in consistency and making gradual changes. It's not about perfection, but progress. So take it one day at a time, one meal at a time. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to make small, sustainable changes than drastic ones that you can't maintain. To recap, effective dieting is not about starving yourself or following the latest fad diet. It's a more nuanced process, one that requires understanding, planning, and consistent implementation. Firstly, it's essential to debunk common diet misconceptions. It's not about drastically cutting calories or eliminating entire food groups. These approaches can lead to temporary weight loss, but they're not sustainable or healthy in the long run. The body needs a variety of nutrients to function optimally, and depriving it can lead to adverse effects. Understanding your individual dietary needs is the next pivotal step. Each person is unique, with varying nutritional requirements based on factors like age, gender, activity level, and health status. It's important to get to know your body, its needs, and its responses to different foods. This knowledge is a powerful tool in shaping a diet that works for you. Once you've identified your dietary needs, you can begin planning a balanced diet. A balanced diet includes a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, along with ample vitamins and minerals. It's not about banning foods, but about creating a diverse and enjoyable eating plan that ensures you get the nutrients you need. This balance helps maintain energy levels, support bodily functions, and contribute to overall health. Implementation is where the rubber meets the road. Consistently following your diet plan is key. It may be challenging initially, but over time, these dietary changes will become second nature. It's okay to have a treat now and then. The key is moderation. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. In conclusion, dieting is a process, one that requires understanding, planning, and consistent implementation. It's a journey towards better health, not a quick fix for weight loss. It's about nourishing your body and mind, not punishing them. Remember, the goal of dieting is not just weight loss, but overall health and well-being. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan.